welcome back to Creativity World. Here is Garima and your watch. Use these strips and use and add this is a slotted tool that is quilling tight coil. This is big tight coil than this. Now I'll show you how to create the neck of the bird. I have added the glue inside this dome. Just tight coil and just making dome shape and the face is done. And just adding glue inside this and just threading it over this dome. Attach all these parts together to construct our bird. The gap where I am putting smooth tissue paper. If you don't have cutting the small, if you want to use smooth, you can just take domino glue. We are just going to create a mixture of bird structure. Just first adding this paste. Don't see the printed part because later we are going to color it. Mixture of glue and water. Now let us. You can say that time makes this. I'll add these into this mic. These here I'm taking this 2 mm strips and I'm just cutting this strip from the center. Just we have to take this strip, just add into the 6 blue teardrops and 11 black teardrops. In this portion with orange color. So the reason why I have is for the coloring, which gives very nice result. Something that we done on this board. That the reason why I am adding is trying one wing-like shape. This oil pastel. You can just easily do oil pastel and just adding little of pastel. This is oil pastel. Now taking away to this process the rest of the oil. This whole process and I have added this mouth.